Login loop error on Sold Edge fix. If you're stuck in a login loop when connecting your bank through Sold Edge, you're not alone. This issue can be incredibly frustrating. You type your credentials, it loads, and suddenly, you're back at the login screen again. But here's the surprising truth: it's not your password that's the problem. It's a sync issue between your financial institution and Sold Edge's secure API. Sold Edge acts as a bridge that links your bank data to financial apps. When that connection fails, it usually means old cookies, expired tokens, or app data are breaking the link. Luckily, fixing it only takes a few minutes. Start by fully closing the app or website where you're trying to log in. If you're on a mobile device, go to Settings, find the app and clear its cache and storage data. This step removes outdated session files that often cause loops. Next, reopen the app and try reconnecting your bank. When you're redirected to Sold Edge's login screen, make sure to manually enter your banking credentials. Don't use autofill. Then, if your bank asks for verification through a code or mobile prompt, complete it right away. Delays can cause the connection to time out, which restarts the loop. If you're still stuck, disable any VPN or proxy connection. Sold Edge relies on secure identity verification, and have VPNs can make your login appear suspicious or from a different region. Finally, check for app or browser updates. Both your financial app and Sold Edge need to run on compatible versions to connect properly. Once you've cleared the cache, disabled your VPN, and updated your apps, the connection should go through without looping back. So, the next time your Sold Edge login keeps looping, remember, it's not a password issue, it's just your app trying to reconnect securely. A quick refresh and authentication usually solve it for good.